Here you can see Dive Cat the day after we lifted her from the bottom. All the rotten wood, the shellfish, the muck, the mud everywhere. The smell is unbelievable. We already cleaned some of the back of this cabin here. You see the mud inside the cabin. It was very slippery. We couldn't even step on that. Look up at the ceiling, all the shellfish there, inside the toilet. Just disheartening seeing all of this. Back out in the cabin, in the cockpit, down in the hull, you can see one of the lift bags that we used to raise her, a rotten wood with the shellfish, one of those cleats which acted as anodes and saved the hull. See the side of the cabin with the shellfish growing there. Most of the cabin looked like that when we lifted her up. We'd already cleaned much of it. This is now after 4 weeks of hard work, scraping, cleaning, brushing, all by hand. You see, we can actually see the paintwork now. We got rid of all that mud and muck. We took out 4 skip bins of muck out of the inside of the cabin. Taking out all the wood, the joinery, the linings, the windows. We cut away the toilet compartment. I was going to do something different there. You see the hull now clean. Still a little bit of water in it though, but pretty much clean. Out on the side, you can now see the sides of the cabin. You see the actual paintwork, all the shellfish gone, a little bit of the vinyl still left. This was after the wet sandblasting in the yard. So now we're down to raw aluminium in remarkably good condition. I've cut away some of the hatches, bits we didn't need. I cut away the back of the cabin. Toilet, of course, is gone. You can see I opened up all the window areas, whole new window area. Back down basically to raw aluminium. Complete new open back of the cabin. I'm going to change something there. And here you can see the side of the cabin down to raw aluminium. Every trace of paint gone. You can see some corrosion, especially where the cabin folded on the side there, the bend. This is the forward deck. All the railing gone, all the cleats gone. Basically everything gone there. New hatch already fitted. This was now after 1 year. So the railing's coming back. I'm starting to put bits and pieces back in the railing, welding new bits of rail. A new ranch slider in the back, across the back of the cabin. I've extended the cabin further back. Toilet and shower compartment down in the hull, so you step down into that. This is the new cabin with windows, new windows on the side. Starting to put the ceilings in, all the joinery. New helm position with the controls for the outboards. All that wood that I was going to build the joinery from. The galley, beautiful piece of Remu. It's going to be the galley counter. See the ranch slider at the back. And the cockpit. Up along the side of the hull, you can see I've got the new vinyl, white vinyl inside the cabin. New plastic windows, new blue vinyl on the sides there. New railing, new step up onto the roof. And here from the side of the boat you can see the vinyl wrap, the blue, and with the new rubbing strip. It's starting to look like a boat again. Railings all around the front. Now, November 2023, I've now made some new benches, dive benches. So when you're in dive gear, you can sit on the benches, or they can fold away when you want the space if we're fishing. That ranch slider, all finished. Toilet all in, plumbed in, and all the finishing done for that. Sliding doors. Cabin's still fairly empty, but you can see there's hatches in the floor, the panels on the side, the carpet, and the Remu finishings. The ceiling lining all done, and in fact out in the cockpit as well, same ceiling lining with LED lights set into that ceiling, so plenty of light. And the forward berths already built. Wooden double bunks on either side, just waiting for some squabs. All the instruments and steering and switches in place. On the forward deck, a brand new stainless steel winch, an anchor there, some cleats, all the wiring still to be fitted. Panels on the other side, more panels. And back to the galley. And the Ron slider. Benches on the other side. And again up the side of the boat with those non-slip pads there. January 2024. The inside cabin is getting close to being finished. I've now got the benches fitted. I've got a table. I've got some squabs there. I've got the forward squabs in place. Notice the air conditioner is very, very hot. In the very front of the cabin, you can just see the life jackets tucked away there. So that's the new place for the life jackets. Temporary covers on the squabs for the moment. So 2 double berths there, and then 2 single berths, 1 on either side. Sorry, 4, 2 on each side. And you can see what the galley's going to look like with those cupboards.